There are so many different places and ways to implement effects in Omnisphere that it can get a little daunting sometimes. What I'd like to do is strip down to a basic patch with no effects on it and show you all the different places that you can put effects in and how that will affect your overall sound. I've got classic nylon strings loaded up, and this is a sound that has some atmosphere strings on one layer and a nylon guitar on the other. What I'll do first is open up the effects window, and I see A and B racks. A is my strings, B is my guitar. So as I do this, what I can do is go to B and add an effect to only the guitar. Let's say I go to delay and pick a regular BPM delay. And as you'll hear, only the guitar is getting delayed. If I go to rack A and put an effect there, it will only happen on the strings. So in that case, I'm going to add a modulation effect, and I'll add a nice analog style phaser. I'll take out the guitar. Yeah, it's definitely there, but let me make sure it's not affecting my guitar. Nope, only delay on the guitar. So A and B are independent of each other, but I can also use a common effects rack, and that is what both effects get fed to. So if I want to, say, do a drastic EQ, like I'll take a low pass or low shelf and we'll take all the low out of the sound. Or I'll put it all back in. And as you can hear, it happens to both aspects of my sound. So that's what common is for. Now I've also got this aux feed. I can use effects on an aux basis. So if I want to feed some distortion, let's just pick high wattage. Right now, if I go on to B, which just as a reminder is the guitar, I've got no distortion. Nothing going there. Let's take the delay out before that becomes a problem. And now I'm going to start sending the guitar to that effect. So that's how you can set up your aux effects send rack. Now keep in mind as well, you've got some global effects that can affect all of the different parts, because this is just one part. Remember, I'm only working with part one. If I go to the multi, I then can go to the multi-effects and use aux effects there as well, and have another slot of 4 master effects. So there's really so many different places where you can insert stuff. You can affect every single channel of your multi on a master basis or on a send basis as well. Lots of places to get in there, affect your sound, and really tweak it out in a cool way.